फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। And as you guys have probably guessed by the title of today's video, this video is one of your most favorite kinds of videos. We are testing some no glue, no BORAX slime recipes that you guys have requested in the comments. So these are the videos that I have done before. Like in this kind of videos, I see some of the videos that you guys have commented in the comment section below, and I'll go there and I'll see the videos that you guys have, recommended me to try and test if they actually work or if they are just, fake videos online. So now we are going to shoot the part 2 of this video. So now without talking too much, let's get started. Now let me show you guys the video. The first recipe that we are going to try is this one. This does look like a very good slime. Let me see. So they are taking a bowl, some water, okay, some flour, maida, they're mixing it. So they probably added, they added some food coloring. This is not just maida. I don't know, I don't have a very good feeling about this, but still we'll see. Because if this is just maida, then the maida has to, get completely mixed into the water, but it's not mixing in with the water. It seems like there's something else mixed in the water. That's exactly why the maida is not combining well. And again, some salt. Now they are mixing it, and they're telling you can see the slime started forming. How though? There's no ingredient that can activate with salt and maida. Like we literally use maida and salt so many times in the kitchen, but there's never any reaction like this that happens in the cooking procedure. But we'll see. Now without talking too much, let's get started and let's try this slime recipe. So for this recipe, for better control, I have taken a little bit bigger bowl so that I can show you guys nicely. But yeah, so first they have added water and then maida, but I'll just add maida and then water because it doesn't really make any sense. Because so here's maida. It's literally just maida. And I'm going to add some maida into this much, because I'm not going to waste too much of food. Now I'll start adding my water into it. Like the way they added the water before, the flour is just too weird, and so I'll add a little bit more water. Since their mixture was completely water, I'm going to add a little bit more as well. So this texture does feels like it is activating, but it's really not. I'm going to add some color into it so that you guys can see it better. I am taking some red coloring and I'll just add it like this. Now let's mix everything together. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, this mixture, there's no way this can form any slime, but we'll try. Let's take a little bit of salt, like this much. And now let's mix it together. So I have been mixing this for like a good 5 minutes and still literally nothing happened. Now I'll show you guys what they did exactly and how they activated the mixture. So they first added the water and then they have probably added some fevicol or some clear glue, and then they added the maida. So I'm just going to add the fevicol over here to show you guys how that actually works. So I have added just a little bit of fevicol into this, and now I'll just mix it all together. So let's mix everything together. Nobody can tell me that I have added glue into this. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे cut कर दिया होता तो you guys will not able to guess like I have added fevicol into this. Like you guys would be like so surprised if this actually worked. And I've added some activator in the cuts and then edited it. Like now I'm going to add some activator and we'll see if this works or not. Let's see. Oh my god, guys, this is activating. Wow. Can you see that? Yeah, it will activate because it has fevicol. Now, if I keep on adding the activator, the slime will form. So let me show you guys how the slime will form. As their slime was doing, you guys can see the slime also have so many patches of glue, since the slime is not completely formed nicely, and then they added some extra flour to make it thick, but glue inside have already formed slime, so the texture is more like a slime and not like a dough. So can you guys see that? That's exactly how they did it. And this will also turn into a slime. I just don't want to waste more atta into it, but you guys can see exactly like this is matching their consistency. So that's just exactly how they are going to do it. And I'm not going to waste any more maida into this because, you know, I know it's a fake recipe, but that's how exactly you guys can make it as well. If you don't want to waste too much of glue, then you guys can add maida. I have fully activated this glue recipe and you guys can see this is exactly behaving like their slime. And wow. What is this, you guys? Very big scam. But yeah, this one is a fake recipe. You guys can actually see that it is fake. Don't try this at home. So now let's see our next recipe. So this recipe is actually correct, and you know, we can make slime with this, but that's just waste of chewing gum, and you know, it's just a lot of work. I have done that before because you guys requested me to try that recipe, but that recipe is just so messy that I suggest you to just chew the chewing gum and just throw that away. That much effort is not required to just make a slime. That's just too much. And yeah, I'll suggest you to just make a basic slime. This is just way too much effort. This is actually a working recipe, so if you want to try, you guys can try it. Now the next recipe, this toothpaste one. Actually, I've tried this in the part 1, so you guys can go and check out this. Now let's, spoiler alert, this doesn't really work. Now let's see the next recipe. Okay, we are taking some water, maida. They definitely added glue in that. Like, oh my god. Coloring. Then they're mixing it, adding some flour. Basically, just the first recipe. Let's go to the next recipe. So, okay, they are using some shampoo Okay, they are cutting some shampoo and then okay. And then they're adding coloring. Okay. Salt. They have mixed it completely. And now again foil. Now for 72 hours. Oh my god. Let's see what happens. Wow. It's just too good to be true, but you guys know we are going to try it. So let's see if this works or not. You guys can basically take any shampoo. Nothing in SLIMES that is different from any other shampoo. Basically all the shampoos have same ingredients. So you guys can literally take any shampoo and make this slime. Now we are going to add some shampoo. Literally the same consistency as the SLIMES one. I'm not going to waste my shampoo obviously, but yeah, that's just how much of shampoo we have taken. And now we are going to add some food coloring into it. Let's take a little bit more. I know this is not going to work, but so we have taken this much of shampoo. Now we'll add some coloring. Since they have used black, I'm going to use black as well. So this much. Now let's mix. I am literally doing the same steps, you guys. It looks like it's forming a slime, but I don't know. Let's see. It actually is pulling away. Wow, that's a surprise. So this is how it looks like right now. It looks kind of like a slime. It is in a one big glob. Now let's add the activator, which is salt. So this is salt. So we have added the salt. Let's mix it. It does feels like it's doing something. I don't know. I have mixed it super nicely, and this is how the consistency looks right now. I hope you guys can see that. Now let's take some foil and cover this up, and I'll see you guys after 72 hours. So guys, it's been 24 hours and let's see. I'm pretty sure if the slime has to form, then it should have been formed. Surprise, surprise, the slime actually didn't form at all, just as I expected. This is not slime, you guys. This is not slime. This is a very big fail. That recipe was obviously a fail, and yeah. This is not slime. I just wasted my shampoo, but make sure to give this video a like so that I can buy some shampoo. And yeah guys, that's all for today's video. If you guys like these kinds of no glue, no borax slime recipes, then make sure to suggest some of sketchy recipes in the comment section down below. Give me some video links so that I can go and make video on them as well. And yeah guys, that was it. This was a very bad fake video, and yeah, I'll just suggest you guys to just be mindful of what you're watching on the internet, because some people are taking advantage of you guys. So make sure to not get in those traps and waste your ingredients. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll soon see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.